Norman, if you're watching this video, I think these right here is what you was looking for. So if you're watching this video, they do have them.
Hey, Slime Pet, what's up, gang?
Make sure.
This you right here, right?
Yeah, that's me.
Hold on, let me see.
That Vaga made me? You Vaga made me? Slime Pad. You look familiar. You look familiar. What's up, Slime Pad Nation? Somebody commented in one of my videos. They said make a shopping vlog. Wow. So I guess, you know, we at Walmart.
Yeah. Whole video idea.
Pick up a few things you need for the truck.
Right.
I'm gonna try not to get too much of stuff that I don't need.
Come back with 2 bags of them cuties oranges.
I just need my oranges. That's all I really need.
Good and good for you.
Easy to peel, easy to eat.
Sound like a spokesman.
This is an ad for it.
Now you can pay for it, ain't it? Sponsorship.
Nah, they need to give me that Starbucks sponsorship first.
Nah, that's that.
Hey, if y'all tried that drink, comment down below in the comment section. A few people already told me that they tried it and they love it.
Your eyes pop out your head. That's all I'm gonna say. Your eyes pop out your head.
I'm gonna let you go see if the door gonna open. Let me just go in the right way. Think I need a buggy? I don't know. Make too much noise. Yeah, man, I see you in a few. This is Walmart's Trucker Edition.
About to take over.
You know, it's crazy. I don't never get buggies. I hate getting buggies, but I know I'm gonna just have too much stuff in my hand.
So you know you about to go in. What you saying?
Nah, I'm just getting a few oranges. That's all. Hopefully they got them.
Well, do they know?
Oh no, I ain't even told them.
Okay. I mean, do you think?
I mean, we gotta, y'all, we had decided we could do a little, somebody had commented a little cook-off, truck edition.
I mean, you think we should give somebody here or the truck stop?
I don't know how we would do it. We'll regroup and come back. They only got the 3-pound bags. I love these oranges, y'all. Yeah, this bag will be gone in like 3 days. I don't be wanting to get 2 bags because it's like, I don't like to spend a lot of money at once. It's kind of cheap. But I'm gonna just go ahead and get 2 bags. Yeah, that's pretty good. Now, get some more rice-a-roni because I ain't got no more left. I do want to grab me some bread so I can make me sandwich. I love this bread right here, but I'm being kind of cheap today. I don't want to spend that much money, so we're gonna go with the $1.32 bread, whichever the softest. Yeah. Now, let me look for the, I think this is the right aisle. Excuse me. Yeah. Oh yeah. I ain't got too many more days on the truck, so I don't need too much. I think that's all I'm gonna get for right now, because I'm going home next week. If I need any more, I just get it from home. Excuse me. I snack on the Slim Jims a lot. I'm gonna try to see if they got some here in the packs, so I don't have to keep buying them at the truck stop, because for the long 2 packs, I be spending like $3 on them. $3.50. Definitely get these. I'll eat these plain by themselves. What hour would the Slim Jims be on? It's like every state I go into, a Walmart is a little different. Let me just go ahead and get my bologna. Make me bologna sandwiches. Hey, how you doing? Excuse me. Do y'all hear the manners? Like, excuse me. Hey, how you doing? You know, that's that Southern hospitality. So y'all, I'm cheap. I think I'm gonna put this bread and this bologna back, cause I need to get me some mayonnaise. I'm in here on a budget. I don't think I need the bread and bologna this time. I get it whenever I get my own truck. I can survive off the noodles and the rice-a-roni. That vodka made me? You vodka made me? Yeah. Slime Pack. You look familiar. You look familiar. You too. See if I can find me some vitamins. They got all that copyright playing. They always out of the ones that I'm looking for. But these vitamins up here, the Ollie's edition, they good. I eat them like they some candy. These right here, I'm thinking about getting these for an upbeat mood. I mean, I'm usually in an upbeat mood. Oh no. I'm gonna just put it back. I'm gonna wait till I see somebody reviews on tasting them. But they don't got the kind that I actually came to look for. Norman, if you're watching this video, I think these right here is what you was looking for. So if you're watching this video, they do have them, and they, I think, $23. Yeah, I think those are what you was looking for. They know they left their card. Hey, excuse me. Did you just check out over there? Is this your card?
Oh my God. Yeah.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Had to make sure that they just checked out. You know how people say, yeah, I just checked out. I had to make sure that they just checked out, because you know, you put a card in somebody's face, they be like, oh yeah, that's mine. I'm trying not to go over $25. What'd you say?
She said y'all vlogging.
Vlogging, yeah.
Oh, they said can they be in it?
Oh, they want to be on my channel?
What's your channel?
Slime Pack _392.
Hey, Slime Pack, what's up, gang?
Make sure y'all follow me now. You put your phone
We
out.
was starting doing YouTube ourselves. That's why we peeped you out, seen you was vlogging.
Nice, so good.
No, we just trying to network.
This you right here, right?
Yeah, that's me.
What's the number?
Oh, she fat.
392.
Yep.
Yeah, _392.
Yeah, that.
Appreciate that. I upload about every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
Look, we in there.
Appreciate it. What's y'all channel?
When you started it, we thinking about it. You know why we came over here? We
Well,
see
whenever y'all got it,
You know what? I'm gonna hit you up.
comment on one of my videos.
you got your socials linked on here?
I already got about 2 videos scheduled, so maybe Friday.
I don't know when I want to start, but I want to start. Let's be doing
You better start it soon.
Summertime, I just read.
So I mean, hopefully if y'all got it by the time this video drop, y'all can comment y'all stuff in the comment section and I can pin it for you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. You're so.
But we appreciate
Listen,
it.
just
Thank you, bye bye. Turn off all this.
hey, just record. That's it. They gonna watch it. All right, y'all. Thank y'all.
I love my black queen though.
Here go the Slim Jims. I mean, basically, you add the prices together, it's about the same price as the truck stop, really. Just about 20 cents cheaper. They look a little bit shorter. I don't know. I done checked out though. Hey, how you doing?
Have a good night.
You too. Y'all can go ahead and start recording now. Y'all could have been recording in Walmart.
Okay, so listen. So I'm gonna start. I don't. What did you do for your first video then?
My first video is because I had bought my first Scat Pack, so.
Cause I don't want to do. I don't want to. We broke.
I'm in the truck. I'm driving trucks.
But I don't
Yeah.
want to like start with a get to know me. I want to do like a little vlog. But then, cause then I was gonna vlog for like the college church that was going on. But I don't even know.
I thought you were gonna do a cooking show though.
No.
You be whipping it up, Benny. Might as well
Yeah,
do it.
vlog. This could have been like a little chill vlog. Y'all in Walmart messing
We
around.
slide to the movies. We got time.
Yeah, y'all got time.
I'll do it for you.
Just start it. That's all you gotta do is just start it.
That's how you did. You just started vlogging it.
Yeah, just start it.
So what's this vlog? How you just like a day in life with you or something?
Probably just shopping at Walmart.
Oh,
So it's
okay.
just daily routine.
Yeah,
I see.
just anything. All right, y'all.
Thank you.
Nice truck. I mean, we riding that, so.
Don't let her drive this truck.
Oh, that's a straight charge. It's just too much going on. Well, that was a good little, you know, productive vlog. Somebody requested this vlog in the comment section, so I'm trying to bring y'all what y'all asking for. Like this video, drop a comment down below what else y'all want to see. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and I'll see y'all on the next video.